Alright, what is up, guys? Today, this is a trade recap on the trades that we took today. I am up about $224 on my qualified account, and I'm only up about $12 on my evals. And I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Basically, let's get started. Going into the day, I was pretty much bearish. This is a good week, so let's start off to a good week, I guess. Pretty much, I was bearish just because if you look at here, this is my quarterly theory, right? New York session. We come up, accumulate, manipulate during a key time. If you have these GAN boxes, you can go ahead and use it to mark out your overall quarterly theory. So usually this first quadrant should be accumulation. Second quadrant, which is this is my manipulation. We manipulated inside of this 4-hour new week opening gap, new day opening gap, whatever you want to call it. Dropping down to the 15-minute. If I knew this was manipulation, this is fine, right? I was anticipating shorts from here, but guess what? We came back up one more time, manipulate this, and then we ended up dumping, right? So then I was like, okay, look, I was looking for shorts up here, but I wasn't too sure just yet. So then I'm like, okay, look, we're going to wait. We come up, sweep, CRT high, and just 930 just displaced heavy. So now I dropped down to the 1 minute. What I did was, as price was coming back up, right here from this big ass retracement, I thought this was a retracement to OTE or to this fair value gap up here, or this breaker. Now, I was like, okay, look, if price comes back up right here, I'm anticipating this to be a retracement, and ES ended up taking out this external high, right, on the lower time frame. So we ended up taking this external high, and then once I saw that NQ swept out a high. So when ES takes out an external high, and if ES takes it out but NQ doesn't, and we end up sweeping out a high on NQ, then that is our turtle soup. That's why I was able to perfect this entry here today. This was literally my fucking entry, and my stops originally was at this high. I can't move it for some reason. Yeah, I can't move it for some reason. It's like all the way down here, right here. My stops was originally at this high, and then once I saw this beautiful reaction, I was like, hey, look, I can go ahead and put risk off the table because we don't need to come back up to this high. This should be our turtle soup. Turtle soup should be a quick rejection and then lower, right? So then end up taking out this high, boom, and then now we see a retracement back down. It looks like this was the retracement, and the real move is going to go higher, which is completely fine because I wanted a daily low because we went to tap this 4-hour gap. 4-hour gap, new opening gap, rejection lower. So that's what my whole ideology was behind this. And plus accumulation, manipulation, distribution, was expecting this to be a continuation towards the downside. So there's a lot here, but I was able to capture some sort of move. I'll have to recap on this once the day ends so I can like fully digest what happened and what I could have done better and everything else. But yeah, that was a trade today. And yeah, we're about $224. Just go and put the performance stats. I'm up overall on the account right now. Or I'm down overall on the account. I'm trying to build it back up. Down about $700, which is still not as good as I want it to be. I want to bring it back up, hopefully. That's the plan, obviously. But yeah, other than that, guys, I will see you guys all tomorrow on the day trading space.